All right. Well, I'm out here today. I am going to try to finish off this Honda generator. And the generator itself, man, it's working great. I mean, it's just, I don't even have a battery on it for the electric start, but it starts the first pull, you know. But I'll probably still put a battery in it one of these days. And, but it's running super quiet, a lot of power. I mean, it's working great. And I just have trouble carrying that thing around. I don't have a spot where I'm just gonna, just sit it down and let it sit there and park it, So I took a motor off of, it was a Honda, a big Honda motor that was used on a pressure washer. And the pump was bad anyway, but the engine's running great, so I took it off on a past video and set it aside. I have plans for it with the golf cart, but so I took the frame. Well, it's right here. There's the frame for it, and off of initial measurements, looks like that generator will fit right on it. Once I get it on there, I think this is the only piece where I'm worried about this hitting this bar, right? But width-wise, it looks like it'll sit right in between, and it'll still have access to the front. I'll have the front here, and on the rear, once that's in, there should still be clearance to get to change the oil and all that good stuff. And this is the only thing I'm worried about. And if I have to, I'll take this off. I know I can unbolt this handle from inside, and that'll give a little extra clearance. But we'll see. First thing, I need to prep this this Dolly. It needs some welding on that leg, and the tires, I need to see if they'll even hold air. That one's got a tube. I think this one did too, but it's all wrapped around. And but I'll see if I get it lined up and see if they'll even hold air. That'd be great if it does. And what else? The little handle here is gone, so I need to replace that. But other than that, and clean it up, and then I'm ready to set the generator on it. So I guess I'll get it cleaned up first, and we'll do the tires, and I'll do the welding very last. Alright, get this lined up. Alright, there she blows. Let me get my little air compressor out, see if there's a hold air. I got some compressed air there. I didn't want to have that running during the video. It's awfully loud. Let's see if we can't So far so good. I don't hear anything. I was kind of surprised. Let's check this other side. Well, I think that got it. We'll see how long they hold air. Alright, well that was good. Tires are holding air, at least temporarily. We'll see how long that'll last. And I guess I'm going to go ahead and just hose this thing down, clean it off before I do any welding. Because it's just that one little piece. And there's my welder there. I don't have a whole lot of room, but I guess I could do it right here. Yeah. I'll just wheel that over here and take care of business. Because it's just one little spot weld. Alright, so that thing is cleaned up. The tires are inflated. The little foot bracket there is welded on. And what else? Oh, I forgot about this little. I need to find a nut and a bolt to help hold that handle on. But the biggest thing now, I need some help moving this generator. So if a couple of you guys could come over here and pick it up one on each side and lay it down on top. Just tell me when you'll be here. Yeah, I don't think I can lift this up. I can tilt it. Well, let me finagle this around. Maybe if I tilt it back and then slide this underneath and let it drop into place. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. I got to get the camera out of the way. Well, sorry about that. I should have filmed it. But I just edged this over to the edge, tilted it back, and then used this just like a dolly, slid it underneath and dropped it on. It was really no big deal. I think I can still, there we go, all the way back here. Not bad. So you can see the very, very corner of that is hitting the tire. But I can still roll it around pretty easy. Fit pretty good back here. I thought this was going to hit the bar, but it didn't. Still plenty of room to drain oil there. And yeah, I guess that is it. If this really starts to wear out on the tire, well, it doesn't even look like it's really touching it, does it? If it is, it's barely. Because the wheels wobble around a bit. Yeah, that's not bad. If it does get bad, I can always trim off that plastic piece right down there on the corners. But yeah, very cool. That worked out pretty good. Alright, that worked out pretty good. Now it's a little more portable for me, because there's no way I cannot carry that thing around. Even if there was two of us. I mean, that sucker's heavy, and my back, no way. I'm not going to chance it this year. That's how I did it earlier in the year. It was with 3 generators in one day that I overdid it. But at least with this one, I've got it on a dolly. That worked out pretty good. I'm kind of surprised. That's a pretty good fit. And it should be easy to wheel around. It has the bigger tires on it. And I was going to put some castors or something on it, but this ought to work pretty darn good. And then plus the handle here on the front, it gives a little more leverage. Makes it super easy to pick up and wheel around. So, yeah, it's awesome. So that's another project out of the way. And I'll continue on. It might be this stuff I'm going to put up back here somewhere, and this one I want to tackle. These are great lifts. If I can just get this one working. It was just a leak on the air hose, and the leak, it wasn't leaking air where it would decompress. It was leaking on the supply side, so whenever I'd lift something up, it would slowly keep lifting. is pretty cool, but I'll cover that later. In the meantime, I'm going to keep clearing some of this stuff out, and this tent's going to be gone here in the next week or so, and I'll put up a new 10 by 20. But all right, well, I guess that's it. That's cool. That's it for this video. So as always, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for my next video.